Welcome back. Today we are going to discuss about the timeline effects in Flash. Timeline effects are few set of predefined animations which we can use in our animation projects. So let me show you how to make this possible. Select any one shape. You can preferably use a rectangle or an oval, or even if you click on this rectangle, you can find corner. So you can make a cornered rectangle, or else you can even, yes, got it, you can make a polystar, or my god, I'm sorry, I'm unable to get it. Yes, a polygon. Yes, polystar tool is here. Using this polystar tool, here is options. Click on it. It will ask you whether you want a polygon or a star. If you want a polygon, simply click on the polygon, mention the number of sides you want. I'm going to get an hexagon. Star point size, give OK, draw this, and you got an hexagon. Sorry. Yeah, you got an hexagon. Even it is divided into a fill and an outline. I'm going to delete this outline part. So we got a polygon here. So few may face difficulties by moving the stage. So if you want the stage to come back to the default, so you should go to Windows, Workspace Layout, and Default, so that the width and height and everything of the default stage comes back. So if you have closed any tab or any menu bar without knowing, you can simply get it back like this using Windows, Workspace Layout, and Default, so that the default editing window appears. So here is the shape. I'm going to right click on the shape. Timeline effects, which is the last option available there. Go to effects. Okay, I'm sorry, I think you can't see it from here. Right click, timeline effects, explode. Wait for a few seconds. Yeah, it works. So here you have to give the number of frames up to which this effect should work. If I'm giving just 5 frames and update the preview, it works very fast. You can note this. Oh my god, I'm given 51 frames. Let me give for 5 frames. As the number of frames increases, the speed of the animation decreases. As the number of frames decreases, the speed increases. So you can find it like just in a second it breaks. So you can even specify in which direction this break should happen. You can find this now. Yeah. So after this, let me specify at least 10, because it goes very fast that I can't see it properly. Yes, it's okay now. You can specify the final alpha rate, the darkness at last. Yes, I'm giving okay. Let me test the movie. I'm going to give Control Enter. Yes, it works properly. Now I'm going to draw another shape, a circle of any color. Yes, I've drawn a circle, blue color circle. Right click, timeline effects, I'm going to blur it. Yes. Can you find this? I'm going to give 11 frames. Update preview. Okay. Now let me see whether I'm able to run it simultaneously. Yes, I'm able to do it. Let me delete the outline. Trying it again. Yeah, I got it perfectly. Now I'm going to try the another effect, the text. I'm going to type animation. I can copy it, and here you can find the fonts. You can select any font, size of the font. Here you have to simply move it like this to increase the font size, bold, italics, and the alignment. Whatever you want you can do with Flash also. Now right click on the text, go to timeline effects. Here is expand. Click on expand so you can find the text expanding. Squeeze. Let's update the preview of the squeeze. Yeah, it moves from that position to this. So if you want both the effects, simply update the preview. It expands and squeezes. Yeah, I'm going to give OK. Control Enter. So can you find the three timeline effects together? This is how we should apply the timeline effects. If you are making use of the timeline effects in the right place, it looks awesome. So that's all for this video. Meet you again. Bye.